Sa manok. Oh my gosh. With mother bells, and our puso. And 7-Up. O, diba? Hinig kayo. 7-Up, 7-Up. So delicious. OMG. Okay. Mama on. Oh, nag-watch, pag-watch. Mother bells. More siya. My brother bought this, the original Paeng since 1998. This is Pohalstas. These are what he bought. I mean, there are 4 plastic bags. Like, ang dami-dami. I don't know why. Pero thank you, Kuya. Oh my God, I really so much appreciate this. Oh my gulay. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. We're super duper gonna enjoy this deliciousness. Thank you so much. Oh my God, let me try. I want to try one. I think this is spicy. It is spicy. Ah! Hanga ay! Pero lami kay siya na hang. It's delicious. Now guys. Guys, so muna na siya. This is what paengs look like. This is the liempo here. This is the chicken. This is a bit spicier. But I love it so much. It tastes so good. This one is the liempo. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Mmm. Crunchy and yummy. And Fluffy is waiting! And bye, Bear! I love you, babies. Wait, baby, ha? Ganta mo na.